I'm here at the Universal Kids Resort Hotel, and I'm going to show you around. And I have a theme park room. Also, when we checked in, they gave us actually something really exciting. When I checked in, they gave us a park map, which is something that is no longer available at the Universal Orlando Resort. So it's nice to see that they actually have one. It's nice to see that they have one here that they're giving out. And then for early park admission, they give out these tickets, these wristbands. You wear it around your wrist so that they know that you are a hotel guest. And so that is something they gave us. And early park admission is at 9 in the morning, and the park officially opens at 10. And they told me that there's only 2 lands that are open for early park admission, and that is Minions and SpongeBob SquarePants. So here is the map. You might not be able to hear, but I can actually hear the park music. Right now they're playing Hey Gabby. But let's go and check out the room. So these rooms, even though this will sleep 6, but it does come with a door in case you have a bigger party, so you can have an adjoining room with someone else. And then this is a really big closet. Look at this. That's where your safe is. This is where you can hang clothes. And it's just very spacious. You can put all your backpacks or luggage in here. And let's go. So here's the front room, and then off in the middle is this area with shelves. This is where your fridge is going to be. Your standard mini fridge or beverage cooler, whatever you want to call it. Here, there's just shelves. And then they give you the ice bucket and cups, your phone and remote. And over here, there's just more shelves so that you can put anything else in there. So plenty of space for extra stuff. Here's the bunk beds. My kids were fighting over who got top bunk, so we'll have to figure that one out. And then there's these little hooks, or whatever you would call them, to hang stuff like towels or whatever. And a lamp that kind of looks like a pineapple. But over here is the bathroom, and it comes with a tub. And they have Dove products. There's shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And so you've got more Dove over here. And body lotion. And your tissues. And the mirror. And then you've got the towel and hair dryer over there. And some hooks to put your towels on. And let's go into the room, the main room. So over here is a table, and then they have this fun light. And this couch should fold out. I'll show you that later. There's a TV with a lamp, and we got a parky room. So you can see it's a Sunday, and it's pretty busy out there. Lots of people. And here is the extra room. We got a TV. nice big bed. I think this this definitely looks like a king bed. There's plenty of storage. You've got a drawer there, and then you have your different plugins. And here's another closet. Okay, so there's extra bedding up there, hangers, luggage, whatever you call it. And you can even put like shoes down there or other things. And then more storage. You got a mirror and yeah, just place to put extra stuff. Let's go check out the window over here. Oh, and the dresser. There's a clock over here. And here's the dresser, the drawer. And here is the drawer. So you got one on each side, which is nice. And then the view to outside again. You can see the Minions area. That looks fun. So that is the tour of the Universal Kids Resort. And I will pull out that couch in a little bit and see what it looks like. This room has 2 TVs, one in the main room and one in the bedroom. The TVs have a menu for guests to look up important information about the hotel and park. There's information about hotel dining, amenities, about the pool, shop, and the fitness center, which is on the 2nd floor. Curiosity Cafe is a hotel's restaurant. It shows the hours for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There is a bar located just next to it. I will have another video that covers the hotel more in depth, and you can subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss that. Here's the information under guest services. They do provide cribs and white noise machines. Here's the information about theme park perks for staying at the hotel. You can get into the park an hour early. There's a dedicated entrance for the theme park, and you don't have to hold on to your purchases. You can send them to the hotel. They will bring them to the hotel about a half an hour after park close, and you can pick them up at the desk in the lobby. Just remember that you do need to tell them when you check out that you want them sent to the hotel, and they will ask you for your room number. You can also look at the park map and see what rides and shows it offers. So that is it for our tour of the room at Universal Kids Resort. We are on the 4th floor. I think it's nice, very spacious, plenty of room. There's plenty of storage space to put stuff.